So today's topic is gravity and its application in physiotherapy. So what is gravity? Gravity is the force by which all bodies are attracted to the earth, or gravity is the attraction of the mass of earth or the mass of other objects, and has a flexion magnitude 32 and acceleration due to gravity is 9.8. The force of gravity gives an object weight, which is actually the mass of object times the acceleration of gravity. As we see, W equal to mg, where W is weight, m is mass of an object, and g is acceleration due to gravity. The magnitude of weight is being a force expressed in pounds. Gravity is the most consistent force encountered by the human body. It is a vector quantity, and we know in vector there is a point of application, action line, and direction, and also a magnitude. The force of gravity continuously act on the human body, and if unopposed, the body will fall down. The effect of gravity can be counterbalanced when a force equal and opposite to it is employed, such as support of plinth and isometric muscle contraction we have in a body. Gravity is opposed by a force which is greater than movement will occur in direction of that force. Example from standing position. The heels can be raised from the ground by the contraction of the calf muscles, working in opposite to that. As we see in diagram that when we raising heels, the force of contraction of muscle is equal to that of gravity, and in the second figure, when heels will be lowered to the ground by the action of gravity if muscles relax. So, next to it, what are the applications of gravity in physiotherapy? So, there are many applications we are using for checking muscle strength in diagnosis or evaluation part. So, in MMT, gravity is working. Example, if you flex the elbow, the work done is against the gravity. But if you are moving or flexing the elbow in a horizontal plane, it is gravity eliminated. Therefore, the gravity can be used for strengthening the muscles by gradually working in its plane and then against the plane. Example, gravity can also be used for grading the muscle power, MMT. For example, we have Oxford grading, grade 0 to 5, grade. So, gravity is useful for patient suffering from ataxia by improving balance, external stimulus, and gravitational change, improving or increasing posture. Asking the patient to do first in gravity eliminated zone for improving range of motion, and then gradually being the same exercise against the gravity, means in grade 3. So we progress from grade 3 to grade 5. Grade 3 is movement of joint against gravity, and grade 4 with minimal resistance against gravity, and grade 5 is with maximum resistance. And also, anti-gravity treatment is used to re-establish the lower extremity with less pain and less impact on joint, and also improve mobility, as strength and safety both are provided in this type of treatment for the patient with neurological conditions. So we have seen that gravity is useful in muscle testing, in ataxic patients, in anti-gravity treatment, and also there is a crutches are used to increase the base of support, and by using them the line of gravity fall in the base of support and increase the stability. Similarly, walking frames is also used to increase base of support and increasing stability in walking. So all these things are related to each other. For example, LOG, COG, and they work in a coordinated manner